Hello traders, this is Dimitrios Haralampidis from Snail Trading, and in this video I'm gonna explain you my count on crude oil. It is probably the most traded instrument lately, and I know that a lot of people are trying to figure out what's going on with this specific instrument. Looking at the weekly chart, we don't see much changes. We have prices still below this trend line, which suggests that that crude oil is under pressure. The divergence on the 14 RSI continues to form here, and really the most important part here is that last week price action created an inverted hammer, which it may not be exactly at the bottom of the downtrend, but it is still an inverted hammer here, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Of course, we need a bullish weekly candle to follow, and preferably to close above the top of this week here to confirm the existence of this pattern. And if it happens, then we can be more confident in the completed bottom here for the crude oil. Moving on the daily chart, again we see some divergence here, and the inability of prices to stay above the 21 period SMA. This is a negative signal and goes against our preferred bullish scenario for the instrument, although there can still be a strong rally from here. So far, however, every attempt to move above this SMA was rejected, and thus it's highly probable that the same will happen again here. But if we look at the 4-hour chart, we see that the decline, although it's moved prices lower, it didn't manage to break, at least not to break, but to stay below the 55 period SMA, which seems to be providing support. And going even lower on the 1-hour chart, we can see that the rebound from the lows can count very well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. This could be wave 2, and then another 5-wave move to the upside, which on the other hand could be A, B and C, and a correction that has finished here, and probably lower prices from here. It is also possible that if we look back a little bit in time, that this wave 4 has finished here in this strange form that I cannot really explain how this could be an impulse, but strange things happen. And if wave 4 has finished here, this could be probably some kind of an ending diagonal, and then a 3-wave move to the downside that will move the instrument to new lows. The problem with our count here is that this wave 2 had already retraced much of the preceding up move, this wave here. On the other hand, the fact that the attempt to move below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement was immediately recovered by a bullish candle, and the fact that the 144 hour SMA seems to provide support for now is also encouraging. However, as we can see, prices are trapped between the SMAs, and the momentum is bearish for now. We need more price data to understand, to get a better idea, let's say, of what's going on, and hopefully we will get our answer early next week, as there are important macroeconomic events that will affect the price of crude oil. I remain bullish as long as prices are trading above this low, and although I'm cautious as there are a few alternatives, and the long and the mid-term trend is bearish and very strong, thus going against it, it is it is not a good idea. However, we can try to play this scenario out, and we will see how it will develop, how it will unfold. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next week.